Let's visit a local Canadian farm near Montreal. Watch till the very end to see some cute yellow ducks. Let's start with this adorable little piglet. There were other animals too, like sheep, goat, and cows. This batch, which says 1871, looked interesting. Later, my niece and I started to drive a tractor, a red tractor. At the end, I hopped on a massive crop harvester and I got in the driver's seat, and that was pretty cool. You can see how massive it is. As promised, here are the yellow ducks. On a hot summer day, this was such a treat.